Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp on VIVO V60 Lite. Okay, all you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. Now once you're here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and open up the settings. Now scroll down and find the chats. Scroll once again and click on Chat Backup. Now let's begin with the Google account. And currently, in my case, this Google account is selected, and it means that on that account our backup will be saved and stored. So let's say that we want to restore our backup later. We'll need to be logged into the same Google account that we have selected right in here during the setup, during the backup process. So that is really important. Simply don't forget that Google account and password to it. Below we have the automatic backups. It is a really useful feature. Defaultly it's set on off, but in my case I put it on the monthly, as you can see, and it means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. It is pretty cool thing, and I highly recommend selecting one of those options. Now let's also include the videos in our backup. Let's enable that, and on the bottom we have an extra security feature. It's not necessary to turn it on, but I'll show you how to do it. It's called end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore the chats. So create a password that you will remember. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary to create it. Okay, now make sure that you have some free Google storage space and then click on backup. The process will start. We need to wait a little. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages and many conversations. Alright, now as you take a look on the last backup, we can see the hour. It's the same, so it means that our backup has been successfully created. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.